Easy English conversation practice. At the pharmacy. Good morning. Good morning. May I help you? My son has been feeling unwell. He has a fever and a running nose, and I have a sore throat. Can you provide us some advice or medication? Of course. Let's start by checking his temperature. Does he have any other symptoms apart from the fever and running nose? He's been feeling a bit tired and has had trouble sleeping because of the congestion. I see. Let me quickly check his temperature. After taking his temperature is slightly high. It seems like he might have a mild fever. As for you, with a sore throat, it's essential to stay hydrated and consider a throat lozenge for relief. My throat is itchy too, Mum. We both have had a bit of a cough too, and his nose has been running. It sounds like you both might have caught a common cold. For your son, I'd recommend a children's fever and pain reliever. Also, for the stuffy nose, a saline nasal spray could help. And for you, a soothing throat spray or lozenges can ease the discomfort. That sounds good. Is there anything else we should be doing? Rest is crucial, especially if you both feel fatigued. Drink plenty of fluids, especially warm beverages for soothing your throat. If symptoms persist or worsen, consider consulting a doctor. Will I feel better soon? You should start feeling better in a couple of days, but make sure to take the medication as prescribed and get enough rest. Thank you so much for your help and advice. You're welcome. If you have any other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Goodbye. Have a good day. Goodbye. Hope you get well soon. Let's expand out vocabulary on symptoms, health conditions, and medical professionals. Fever. He was feeling unwell yesterday and had a fever. Cough. He couldn't stop coughing throughout the night due to the irritation in his throat. Sore throat. He felt a scratchy sore throat coming on, prompting him to drink some warm tea with honey for relief. Runny nose. Due to his allergies, he experienced a runny nose and had to carry tissues wherever he went. Congestion. His congestion made it difficult for him to breathe. Headache. He took a pain reliever to alleviate the pounding headache he had been experiencing all morning. Chills. After coming down with the flu, she experienced severe chills, prompting her to wrap herself in a warm blanket. Dizziness. She felt a sudden onset of dizziness and had to sit down to regain her balance. Rash. The boy developed a rash after coming into contact with a plant in the garden. Vomiting. My son felt sick after dinner and started vomiting in the evening. Diarrhea. After eating something wrong, he experienced severe diarrhea for the rest of the day. Prescription. The doctor wrote a prescription for antibiotics to treat the bacterial infection. Pharmacist. The pharmacist provided detailed instructions on how to take the prescribed medication. The end. Enjoyed it? Show your love by giving the video a thumbs up. Interested in mastering more English conversation? Subscribe to Teddy Bear's Storytime for further learning. Activate the notifications to receive the latest updates, news.